In this video, you'll learn how to add the Phantom wallet in the Kiwi browser on your mobile device. By following these steps, you will be able to manage your cryptocurrency seamlessly within the browser. Begin by locating and opening the Kiwi browser on your phone. This application typically has a distinct logo, which makes it easily identifiable among other apps on your home screen or app drawer. Next, look for the menu icon, which is represented by 3 vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen. Tapping this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with various options available for you to choose from. From the drop-down menu, find and tap on the option labeled Extensions. This will direct you to a new screen where you can manage and install different browser extensions. After that, tap on the button that says Plus from Chrome Web Store. This action will open the Chrome Web Store where you can search for various extensions compatible with the Kiwi browser. In the search bar of the Chrome Web Store, type in Phantom Wallet and press the search button. The results will display the Phantom Wallet extension, allowing you to proceed with the installation. Once you see the Phantom Wallet extension in the search results, tap on the button that says Add to Chrome. A confirmation prompt will appear requesting you to confirm the installation of the extension. After confirming, the installation process will begin, and you may see a loading indicator. Once the installation is complete, return to the extensions menu by tapping on the menu icon again and selecting extensions. There you will find the Phantom wallet listed among your installed extensions. Select the Phantom wallet from the list. You will now be prompted to either create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. Choose the option that best suits your needs to start using the wallet effectively.